Babe,
Yeah.
I love you.
I don't understand it. You're changing, I can't stand it.
You can't make up your mind. Please don't waste my time. I'm not trying to rewind. I wish I... And all those things I didn't say were wrecking balls inside my brain. I will scream loud tonight. Can you hear my voice this time? This is my fight song. Take back my life. Alam niyo ba guys, na naginip ako? Tumalon daw ako sa mataas na building tapos nahulog ako sa iyo.
Haranahin kita, saan tayo mapunta? Hindi pa tayo kalala.
Sino nga yun? Sino ka ba? Concern lang ako. Concern o selos? Concern ako as a friend. Sana nung una pa lang, sinabi mo na friend ka lang pala. Hindi yung papol ka. Paano ko sasabihin? Sana lahat ng sinasabi mo as a friend. Kumain ka na ba?